Unlock the magic of live streaming. Pre-recorded videos on Facebook with OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, for Mac, a step-by-step guide, by Nene Steph. Hey there, digital wizards. Want to dazzle your Facebook audience with a mesmerizing live stream of your pre-recorded videos using OBS on your trusty Mac? We've got your back with this step-by-step guide to make it all happen. Before we dive in, install OBS. If you haven't summoned OBS into your Mac yet, fear not. Head over to the official website at https://obsproject.com/download and bring it to life. Prepare your magical video. Ensure you've got your enchanting video file all set and ready to cast its spell on Facebook. Facebook Page Mastery. Make sure you've got administrative access to the Facebook page where you're about to weave your live streaming magic. Step 1. Conjuring Facebook Live within OBS. Open your OBS Studio on your Mac, and let the magic begin in OBS. Look for the mystical settings spell and click on it. In the magical settings window, select the stream option on the left side of the cauldron. Under the service drop-down menu, summon the Facebook Live option to your command. To unlock the secret chamber, retrieve a stream key from Facebook. A. Visit your Facebook page in a web browser. B. Click on Live Video in the page's composer, where you create posts. C. Behold your stream key. Click Copy. To steal its power and stash it in your clipboard, return to OBS, paste the copied stream key from Facebook into the stream key field, seal the deal with an apply and OK to save your settings and keep the magic alive. Step 2. Within OBS, conjure your scenes and sources as needed. Add your pre-recorded video as a source. A. Cast the icon within the source's realm. B. Select Media Source from the mystical menu. C. Name your source and let it be known with an OK. D. Choose your pre-recorded video file as your magical artifact. Adjust the source's settings as per your mystical requirements, example, resolution, frame rate. Organize your scenes and sources on the OBS canvas to craft the layout of your live streaming dreams. Step 3. Unleash the live stream magic on Facebook. After that, create a post. Then descriptions. Click Save. Return to the heart of OBS and, with your heart in your throat, click on the Start Streaming button in the lower right corner. This will ignite the process of sending your video to Facebook. Venture back to your Facebook page in the web browser. In the Sacred Live Video section, you shall find your preview. Bestow a title, description, and any other enchantments as needed. When the time is ripe, summon the Go Live button to launch your live stream. OBS will commence sending your pre-recorded video to Facebook, with a mystical delay of 2 to 3 seconds, making it appear as if it were live. Engage with your audience through the comments and reactions on the Facebook Live video and keep the magic alive. Step 4. Wrapping up the spell. When you feel it's time to bring the curtain down on your enchanting live stream, return to OBS. Be patient and wait until the video is finished, for you must manually stop the streaming in OBS. To avoid an endless loop, perform the magic ritual by clicking the Stop Streaming button to cease the flow of your video to Facebook. To close the mystical portal, return to your Facebook page and invoke the Finish button to end the live stream. That's it. You've successfully woven the strands of magic to live stream a pre-recorded video on Facebook using OBS on your trusty Mac. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. This is Nene Steph. Thank you.